Hi guys, Robin here from WTI. Let's talk about this LG Cord Zero stick vacuum.
With this stick vacuum, there are multiple things I love. The ease of putting it in and out of the stand is one. The second is the fact that it comes with a second battery that holds in the stand. So once you're done vacuuming, if it did die, you just quickly switch it out and you can keep going and finishing up what you're doing. So I think that is a bonus idea. There's nothing worse than being almost finished cleaning and then the battery dies on your vacuum. So like I said, super easy to put in and out. The controls are very easily accessible with your thumb on the actual body itself, and it has the light to show you how much battery is left. Emptying is simple, just drop it over. I have so much hair, so it does get caught in it, but it is very easy to empty and then just close it back up. It's really sleek looking as well, which I think is a huge bonus if you are going to have it somewhere that is visible. So I think it is a really beautiful, sleek, modern design. It is very neutral colored as well. I love the fact that it is freestanding. You don't have to damage your walls to mount it or anything like that. And the accessories can be stored right there as well, which is a super plus. So you can have everything right at hand when you need it.
I absolutely love it. I love the amount of charge that it has. I was able to do my whole car with not even the battery running out once, and I think that is fantastic. I've had higher priced vacuums that do not last as long or have as great suction. So it's super lightweight to use. It's just, I think the dual battery thing is mind-blowing and I absolutely love it. So I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.